Hello and welcome to PTS Primo Charts. This video is about the PTS Primo Charts online manual. To access the online manual, click on the third circle on the educational icons. This will take you directly to the online manual. On this manual, you can search for more specific topics on the search bar on the top right. On the left, you can see a template of topics that you should be familiar with to take advantage of what PTS Primo Charts has to offer. You have an introduction, setup instructions, connection to the data feeds, working with the charts, working with the strategy scanners, working with the portfolio managers. When you search, you can type in any topic, like for example, templates, and it will give you a list of topics that can help you understand how PTS Primo Charts works. We hope you like it.